Halt means bringing to an abrupt stop, and snooze means short, light sleep, especially during the day. Halt and snooze are to be considered. It is so usual that anything or anyone feels sleepy when anyone is mentally and physically tired, so the blank will be filled with any choice as fits and correct answer, which means a condition of being physically and mentally inactive. Sassy, jaunty, spry, and vivacious as choice A, B, C, and F, respectively, all of the four mean any lively condition. On the other hand, torpid and lethargic as choice D and E mean the condition of being inactive by means of mental and physical functions which feed the blank to hold the to snooze appropriately. So the correct answers are choice D and choice E.